welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine Zena, and in today's video I'm going to dye my hair again. I'm trying to get it to an intense red. So today I'm going to use Loreal Techniques HiColor, and it's in the color Intense Red. I always buy my hair dyes in Intense Red, but I'm going to try this out for the first time, and I wonder if it's going to bring that bright red that I'm looking for. So this time I'm also going to use a developer, and this one is number 30. So hopefully this works and brighten out my hair. I already mixed it in my container here. It's kind of liquidy, so I'm just gonna separate my hair into 4 sections and then apply it. So as you can see, I have a perfect wash and go. If you want to know how I did this wash and go, then make sure you click the card up above. And until next time, see you in the next video.